YouTube, it's your boy Zamba. Welcome back to another banger. It's been a while. I've not been posting for a while now. Why? Because the inner circle, the VIP members, and also the mentees we have been doing a lot lately, and we have been flipping accounts. So I've been busy with them. So I'm really sorry for not dropping gems as always. And also, for sure, I'm definitely going to be dropping gems every single week. But because of the entire challenge we have been doing on the inner cycle, I haven't been posting. So if you guys want to join and also want to be part of it, so that when I'm not dropping videos or when I'm busy, you guys will also be making money as well, do well to reach out using the link on my video description. All right, so this is another video and let's get started. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a simple moving average strategy to use to make your first $1,000 trading. Now remember, you must always have this in mind: your balance will tell. So if you are trying to flip your account with this, it's okay. If you are trying to do the impossible, it's still okay. But so far you have it in mind that you're going to make a lot of money with this strategy. So let's get it. Now what you're going to do is simple, of course. Just go to your indicators and tap the moving average. Now I'm going to be using Bitcoin in this case, right? Because this is the weekend. So I am I'm less busy during the weekend, so I can do a lot because we are trading Bitcoin during the weekend, okay, on the VIP community. So I'm just trying to do this video for you guys so you guys can understand what I'm doing. Now this is the period you're going to use shift, and everything that I have here, just input it on your own tab or screenshot and then click on done. Now what you're going to do, let's just go straight to the 5-minute time frame. All right, so if you want to, you can use this on any time frame anywhere, but so far you use it on a smaller time frame if you want to scalp. And if you want to day trade, you can use the 15-minute or the 30-minute time frame. Now we're going to start with the first day, today in general. We're going to start with today, this day, right? So what do we have? First of all, we have a move, right? So Bitcoin has been moving over the past 24 hours, but from here to here, we are going to say in the past couple of hours, right? And what we want to do is, we are not going to trade this. We are not going to trade here. We want to trade here. Okay, so we are going to mark this area. Once you see we have a cross about to happen, we go straight to the 1-minute time frame. Now we are going to be using two time frames. So in this capping zone, we are going to be using the 5-minute and the 1-minute. If you are using the day trading perspective, we are going to be using the H1 and the M15, or the H4 and the M30. While if you are trying to swing trade, you are going to go to the weekly time frame or the daily time frame and trade on the H4 time frame. You get the point now. So let's go to the 1-minute time frame. Now the 1-minute time frame, the zone that I marked, we'll check it out and see what the price does. Now what we want to see is, we want to see that price has already crossed over. We want to see that the price has already crossed over, which is correct. Now we are trying to trade a retracement or a follow-up. That's the second thing. Now since the price has crossed during this level, what are we seeing? We are seeing bearish momentum from this area. Now we can take our sell and put our stop loss above this area or above this area for safety, and then aim for 1:2 or 1:3, depending on what you are comfortable with. Okay, so this is just the first example. Let's move on to the second example so you guys can get it more easier. All right, so we have another crossover here. We have another crossover here, as you guys can see. So let's mark that out and go to the 1-minute time frame to see what we can do with it. Remember, our rules is still simple, is still normal, right? Number one, we want to see what? We want to see a crossover already happened before in the past, which is here, right? a crossover has already happened, which is good. One, we are trying to trade the follow-up, which is this area. Now what we are going to do is take our trade and put our stop loss right below this area. Even when the market came back, you see, when the market came back, it did not break this area, it didn't break the zone, but guess what, it kept on moving. So our risk to reward is going to be 1:2 or 1:3, or depending on what you want, 1:5. But of course the market kept on riding and all of that. Let's move on to the 5-minute time frame again. Now if you look at this setup, we have another setup here, which is this one. We mark it out. Remember, we need to wait for these setups. Patience is the key when trading, so you don't make a you don't mess up and do something that you will regret, right? Now as you guys can see, we have a setup right here, and what happened in the past, the market broke, which is good, right? And then it came back and made a retest on the zone, and guess what, we have our stop loss at this area and our TP at this area. So as you guys can see, the market is still going down. Okay, we took a set trade this morning as well on the VIP. So for those of you that are in the VIP, you guys know what I'm saying. But for those of you that still want to join the VIP, use the link on my video description to reach out to me. All right, so this is it. Now currently, as you guys can see, this is the current, I'm not back testing, this is live, right? So this is the current market situation, and right now the market is still selling even when I'm making this video. So this is the ultimate strategy when it comes to a very simple moving average strategy to use. Very convenient, very easy. You don't need to stress yourself. You don't need to make the market too complicated, make it too obvious for you. It's simple. With just 3 examples, I'm able to show you a strategy that you can use and help yourself out in terms of finance and also grow your account. And also, if you want advanced stuff, do well to reach out to me using the link on my video description. I love you guys. Still dropping gems on a weekly, on a daily, on a monthly basis. And it's still your boy Zamba, Lion FS Gang. If you want account management, VIP services, mentorship, anything you need, use the link on my video description.
Custom on a beat.